Good morning everyone. Myself Janhavi Sakharam Joshi, BSc second year from Sri Shivaji Science and Arts College Chikhli, District Buldhana. Today we will discuss on future of STI, that is Science, Technology and Innovation, and its impact on education, skill and work. First we will see relation between science, technology and innovation. Science encloses the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. And technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical or innovation purpose. And innovation is often a new product, but it can be a new way of doing something or even a new way of thinking. So in simple way, we can say science means creation of knowledge, example electronics. Technology means application of knowledge, example a smartphone. And innovation means application of technology, example mobile banking. Now first we will see what is educational technology. Education technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. So now we will see what is impact of science, technology and innovation on education. First, teaching learning strategies. Second, development of teaching learning materials. Third, enhancing goals of learning. Fourth, improvement in teaching and learning. Fifth, training to teachers. Sixth, development of audio-visual aids like animation and videos. Today we learn through e-learning. Also some social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and some meetings like Google Meeting, Zoom Meeting, etc. Now we can also learn through gamification and artificial intelligence. So what is impact on skills? First we will see what do we mean by a skill. The ability to use one's knowledge effectively and readily in execution or performance. Current lifespan of skill is 18 months. After that, we have to learn new skills. It is said that the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. Here, this three process is very important. That is first, learning skills, second, unlearning old skills, and third, relearning new skills. But some skills never go out of demand. That are communication, organization, teamwork, punctuality, critical thinking, creativity and emotional intelligence, and so on. So what is impact of science, technology and innovation on work? Technology is changing quickly. It affects most things we do in our life and will impact how we work in the future. Some of the digital technology jobs that offered by technology is app developer, robot manufacturer and service management, cyber security specialist, code and software engineers, gene designers for babies and pets. We know all technology have some advantages and disadvantages. First we will see pros of technologies, that is for plus point. First, convenience. It is convenient both for teachers as well as students. Second, it is flexible. We can learn at any time and anywhere. Third, speed of communication. Fourth, quality education by seeing videos and animations. And fifth, it is time saving. Now, cons of technology, that is minus point. First, equity region wise. Now also in some parts of India there is no internet connection. Second, issue of practical learning. We cannot perform practically. And third, physical or health impact. Though we have some negative point, we can overcome it. So, the use of science and technology should be for betterment of our life in all aspects today and for future. Thank you.